Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you're going to come across this video. Yes, guys, currently, what's has been making waves of been trending was this hashtag, it's justice for Ucwecwe. Guys, unfortunately, uyazi ukuthi as much as abanye bethu we are here noma sizoba la, khona abanye ke abala. Lo allegedly useboshiwe has been arrested. This fool, this stupid dumb fool. Lo bese kuthi lesi sinye silima ba of khona umunye ubani uThenelo PI u-offerishe 5,000 rand for anyone who can give out the-address and the phone number or a Facebook account or whatever. A Facebook account, they have it, but the address the phone number yale stupid. Cha fabeboshwe ke laba fabeboshwe. Guys, nina ni stupid. Yo ni stupid. Khona izinto, there are things that you can play about, make fun or ngazo and all of that, but there are things you just cannot. You understand? You absolutely cannot, because there's absolutely nothing funny about this. Ukuthi iyagripha idipha or all of that, like mawusuhlala nawe ubheka kahle phansi uyabona ukuthi lo naye umunye uzohlupha kusasa. Yazi into engcono akaboshwe, laba ababoshwe, because amakhanda aba awake. It also goes back to this thing ukuthi another thing that also, when I was even talking about the Vusinova thing, ukuthi another thing that makes some people to be like lento yababhora, negative energy, gripper and all of that, inkinga ukuthi lento does not hit home to them because bona abathinti directly, but the day abathinta bona directly nathi kumele sitatazele. Angithi that's when we are also going to have to shake siqale manje ukuthi sibe serious and start to help them in terms of seeking help and all of that. Ni wrong bafethu, yo ni wrong. I'm glad that one uboshiwe ngathi nasejele bengafika bembambe, but I'm glad got that other guy who allegedly it was stated that he was arrested. I hope he really was arrested, and le nto yokugrip or not ayize phakathi uzobuya sitshele ukuthi yakhe ibigripha na. Cha sikhatheleke, yo sikhathela ma stupid, yo sikhathele guys. Nini problem yenu? We are also stupid, yes, but the problem yenu niyahluleka ukuba stupid individually, stupid in peace. Nivuka ukuthi manje ba stupid, nibe stupid ngezinto zethu ngabanye abantu, ni include abanye abantu. For lokho ke ayikhali. Yo justice system isebenzile bafethu. Yazi ababoshwe laba. And guys, asikakhohlwa ukuthi uprincipal lo ngafuna ukhipha ngisho ngambiza ngolwandle. Ulwandle uzolutranslate ulise kwigama lesingisi. Lelo lwandle lelo elingafuna ukhipha lama lentuzana lama DNA. Lo faka singakhohlwa ukuthi kumele aboshwe. And I'm still standing on this. Stupid ezwe Afi Forum. I'll say alleged stupids. No motherfucker. Akuyilentuzana hayi mina ngikwatisa nini yini enzoyenza ichannel yami ibe banned. Mina sikazi vele bengeke ngikhona ube president. Yo bebezongehlisa ngiqhashwe Monday ngo-6 PM, Tuesday ngo-6 AM bengiyosengixoshise kufaka umuntu omusha. cha mina ngikhoni-ke vele ezinye izinto yabo nje ukulima nje ngiyahluleka nje ukuhlala ngikutolerate yabo nje le Jupiter zethu ezicathi zifan so you think we are fun lapha isekho lo show that competition that we used to have on SABC 1 oh well wow ngizositshela ukuthi nihambe kanjani. Yes, and guys, if anyone can provide information for that the second full that I posted, please guys help post it. Go check it out on Twitter. I'm sure you're going to see posted on Twitter. Someone is definitely going to see it. Mina vele I'm on this le ndaba le ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi bapha bafethu baboshiwe zikhiphani futhi elintuzana ematrongeni. If bengi nearby mina vele bengizoya khona ngithi ngiyababona futhi ngazi ukuthi ngiyaphi nje ngoba nami ngizoqinisa ngiboshwa. Yazi ukhona abanye abantu abavele bekubhora ngathi bavele bagabe na something bese uyaboshwa nawe vele kuphele ngawe. Guys, please make sure that you, if you know that second guy who was posted that I posted, please open a good comment section, guys, or even if you don't even write good comment section, it's fine, just go straight on Twitter and write his name and yeah, since I'm trying to sure.